How many children, overall students?
Probably about 400 plus, yeah.
Okay.
About 1.3 million in 20 years.
Yeah. 1.3 million?
Yeah.
Wow.
I have 9 at the university right now.
Wow.
So each semester I have to come up with at least $9,000. So we need a lot of help, y'all.
All right, all right.
You're good to go, Brad.
We're good to go?
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
Ready.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to the Fox News Edge. I'm so excited for our special guest tonight, and you'll see why in just a little bit. To my far right, Anthony Ball, and then sitting in between us, we are fortunate to have Barbara Mashburn. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
We're talking about the Barbara Mashburn Foundation, which, if you have not heard of it, helps send students to college if they have musical ability and they're able to use music to go to college, and it's helped hundreds of students go to school. Barbara, I mean, how exactly do you help these kids? What is the most important thing with your foundation?
Well, of course, they might say the money, but I think when they get older, they might look back and say, it's the family that we put together. There's no fraternity or sorority for singers on campus. Mm-hmm. So I asked myself when I started this, by the way, may I jump in here and say, I'm a native and I got a scholarship or I couldn't have gone to school. Mm. So
I feel you on that.
I wanted to give back to young singers. Everybody wants a singer when they're married or when they're buried, but nobody wants to send them to school. So, and I got to travel around the world. I'm an old leftover jazz and blues singer, and headlined in Las Vegas in the 60s. And I came back home and started this foundation to help young singers. What I do is I sat down and I asked myself, what would you have wanted a Barbara Mashburn to do if she had been there when you were in school? So it's if they need a new suit, or they need a pair of shoes, or they need to take manners lunches so they can sit down and know what to eat with. We do lots of different programs to meld them together as a family and to teach them how to live in the real world of music.
And I mean, that's important. I was talking to one of the students, I said, you know, that he's got a job now, he works in banking, but he was able in college to go to college thanks to the foundation and the scholarship. So I think that's a perfect example of how that helps. Anthony, you work with these students. What is it that you see from your perspective that, that really leaves the biggest impression on you from this foundation?
Well, the biggest part is I am an alumni of the Nash. I helped them when I was in school for 2 years, and I could put myself in the student perspective. So my job is to pretty much coordinate the show and produce the show.
Yeah, and then what did the Mashburn Foundation, what impact did it have on your life? Now you can look at it from that perspective.
It was really a family. It was a family because even some of the kids now, they're still here, you know, and it's like a family reunion, you know, so it's a family environment.
I paid him to say that.
It's true. It's true.
Yeah, that's really cool. And what is the charity impact? I mean, you know, because this is more than just these kids going to
Absolutely. Every Christmas, we're the ones that you see at the airport singing Christmas carols at the bottom of the escalator and handing out candy canes, you know, when people are mad and they're tired. And it lifts them up and gives them a pick-me-up. We sing at nursing homes at Christmas time. We'll do a Christmas show. We're doing a fall fundraiser November the 9th. We are doing reggae music.
Yes.
And I was laughing telling the kids, these are my classical / reggae singers. That does all go together.
It does now.
It does now. It's a way to teach these kids that you can really be in any kind of music. And think about this. Even if only one of these kids goes out and touches one other soul, we'll make the world a better place. We know if we don't do that, it won't happen.
Yeah.
So we want them to go out and reach into the community. We try to bring students to the concerts so that students can look up and see them as role models as opposed to, well, I won't say that. What we have on television mostly now.
Hey!
Sorry.
I'm on TV!
Except for you.
No, you're exactly right. You're exactly right. The pop culture, as it is.
Yes.
Today. And so, I mean, that makes perfect sense. Real quick, lastly, Anthony, reggae. I mean, why reggae? Tell me about this.
Well, she's done a lot. She's known for jazz and blues, of course, because she's a long time and retired. Awesome blues, and she still got it, by the way. Yeah. But we want to do something different, and we want to keep pushing the students farther and farther up the road, you know, to give them a diverse background in music.
Yeah.
And we have great singers. They're all going to school for music. So we want to be well-rounded.
All right.
Plus, I've been asking Hannah, who is from Trinidad Tobago, to play the steel drums for years, and
Yeah.
she's finally going to play them. I'm so excited.
Oh, the steel drums, that's awesome.
Yes, I
Can't
love
wait. Here, if you want to help this amazing foundation, and I know you do, there's the information on your screen. The Mashburn Foundation Scholarship Fundraiser Concert, A Night of Reggae. It's Saturday, November 9th. Put it on your phone calendar right now. It's just 7 to 9:30 on a Saturday night at Fresco Cafe and Pub in Fayetteville. Cannot wait to see
You
that.
can always send money anytime.
All right.
We're
there you go.
happy to take donations.
BarbaraFoundation.org, correct?
Mashburn
Barbara
Foundation. No, just
Mashburn
MashburnFoundation.org. Is that right?
That's right. I was there just a couple hours ago. There you go.
Great.
MashburnFoundation.org.
Super. Thank
All
you
right,
so
hey,
much.
that's great.
Springdale boy.
Yeah, that's right. Hey, we need Northwest Arkansas kids stick together.
Yep.
Here's the singers are in studio,
They are.
and we're gonna have a performance
Yes.
after the break. But before we go, how about a taste of what's to come with the instrumentalists in our studio right now?
Who are fabulous.
We'll be right back. Take it away, guys.